So I haven't done an update with this for a little while, unfortunately. Just to let you know where we're at. Replaced both the door windows, easy enough job. Take the door card off, peel back the liner, and then basically remove all of the glass, which was what took the most time from this door. Obviously I learned how to do that a bit easier when I did the driver's side. And one problem I had with this was I'd not pushed the glass far enough across. There is a little track that runs down the inside here, and there's a clip which pushes into that. If you don't push the glass across, it drops down or it won't go up. Rear quarters are about to be done and the front windscreen is about to be done, so I'm just removing the fender wrap. So we're getting close to having all the glass done. Sandpapered that back, 2,000 to 2,500 grit wet paper. I've got a new boot in the lounge, which I will take this off hopefully and replace with that if it is the same colour. Right, next update. So, new windscreen installed, and rear quarters as well. Still damaged boot windscreen and the dent. Fortunately found a boot or hatch on eBay, so I'm looking at replacing this. Hopefully going to do that this afternoon. It's Saturday. So I've taken the inside protective felt covering off, can't remember what it's called. Unfortunately, when I took the fender wrap off, the windscreen where the original windscreen was damaged here, caught the pillar with the hammer. This paint's broken here. There is a marked dent which I'm going to have to do something with. Not sure what yet. Well, that's going to be PDR or whether I can do something. It's certainly going to want filling, I think, which is a royal pain in the backside. Apart from that, it is looking considerably better than it did. Still got that to touch up, well, not touch up, repair. I'll show you something else in a minute. There is reflector damage on the rear boot, and also something I hadn't noticed before. I don't know whether you can see that here. There is some paint been applied, which I'm guessing was in the pot in the keys. I'll try and attach a photo of that with the key, with the spare key. There's some crack in there. There is also a bit on the bumper as well, the rear bumper here. I don't know whether you can see that. But back to this, the reflector down here, just pushed out. So once I've got the boot replaced, I'll either take this lining off and see whether I can get to it from there. If I really have to, I'll take the boot out. Hopefully I don't have to boot bumper off. Hopefully I won't have to do that. This will just push back. Don't know whether they're clipped in. I'm guessing so. Worst case is I'll just super glue it back in. Don't really want to be replacing anything if I don't have to. This is the replacement hatch. It came pretty bare. It did have the wiper, a wiper motor and rear light cluster, high level light, which I've removed. There's a small loom there which I've removed, left some string through to help guide through the original loom. It was a bit of a pain to get this out. This, which controls obviously the hatch closing, I really couldn't get to that to that jack, it just wasn't coming out. So in the end I bolted that, just pulled it through and then removed it that way. Hopefully this has gone back in the right position, so that's something I've got to be aware of when I'm trying to close the boot in a bit.